fruits of our labor. What's up, friends? Time to go on another trip to see if it's for you.
Right now we're in Belize celebrating our birthdays. Double Capricorn squad.
We are going absolutely ham on this trip and we are trying a ton of things. This will be part one of our vlog where we flew to Belize City, then hopped a little plane over to San Pedro. Then we scoped out the resort that we're staying at, had some amazing drinks, and watched the sunset.
On day 2, we chartered a fishing boat with 3 expert spearfisher people, and they caught an amazing haul of snapper and conch and lobster and took us to a beach restaurant at Secret Beach and cooked it all up for us.
So far, we can say this trip is for you. If you love water activities, you love sunshine, you love being on the beach, top tier. So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, as it does help get this video out to other people who might be wondering if this trip is right for them. And we are working hard towards our goal of hitting 100 subscribers this year.
Excuse me, we're working hard towards hitting our goal of 1,000 subscribers.
Oops, my bad. 1,000 subscribers. We'll see you soon. Bye. We have just landed. Huh?
I was like, you're not filming.
I know, we've just landed in Belize. We're going to... Wait, we didn't check any bags, so we're good. We don't have to check a bag or get any bags. And we're going to hop on our, I think, Tropic Air, whatever flight. It's a little small thing, and we'll hop on the plane, and then we'll be in San Pedro and be at the hotel. Yeah, buddy.
I don't think it's that long.
It's kind of long.
I don't think it's long.
We disagree on the length of the lines.
It took us about 3 hours to get from Dallas to Belize and about 20 minutes to get through customs. Getting to San Pedro Key Cocker means you either need to take an island hopper flight or a 90-minute ferry. Both Tropic Air and Maya Air, the prices were pretty similar, but I saw more about flexibility with Tropic Air, so I ended up picking that for us. When we went to go check in, they had an earlier flight departing and they just moved us up on it. So we literally just walked back and hopped in, got through security and hopped on it, and we're about to take off. It should be about, I think maybe 20 to 30 minutes. They're gonna stop in Key Cocker first and then they're gonna continue on to San Pedro with us. So we'll see you there. Since we hopped the earlier flight, it was one that stopped in Key Cocker. Normally would have been 15 minutes. This took about 25-ish minutes total. The views are absolutely amazing, even though ya boy doesn't like heights. Pretty safe landing, actually smoother than our American Airlines landings. What you would carry on a larger plane ends up getting checked, so you just have to wait a few minutes for them to unload the bags and then you can grab them and be on your way. Check to see if your hotel does airport transfers. I actually didn't even know until we were planning to take a taxi and the Tropic Air people told us. They took down our name and they let the Alaia know that we were on our way. It was about a 10 minutes, if that, ride to where we were staying south of downtown. We loved staying at the Alaia. It has its own private beach. I think that they actually opened in 2021. I'll fact check that and drop it in the description. If the main party pool isn't your vibe, there is a quieter pool on the side, and they also have a wellness spa and gym. They do early classes on the beach and by the pool.
Oh, thank you, my friend.
Getting greeted with a healthy drink to offset all of the alcohol that will be consumed.
Go ahead and grab these for you.
Okay, thank you.
You guys are on vacation, you won't be lifting a finger.
Oh, thank you. Noah's helping us out here. My name is Emmanuel.
Emmanuel, love meeting you, friend.
Ashley.
Ashley, love meeting you.
Nice to meet you.
My pleasure.
While they do offer an all-inclusive option, you know we're always gone, so we decided not to do it. I emailed them ahead of time trying to plan some activities for dinner and for our birthday celebrations, and they ended up hooking us up with this really awesome room to wish us happy birthday. This place reminded us a lot of like a mini LeBlanc hotel that we stayed at in Cancun for our honeymoon.
The room was really spacious, lots of room for us to unload our gear.
This was the view I got to walk out to every morning when I went to go get our coffees. Once we got settled in, it was time to kick off the birthday shenanigans at the Rooftop Bar.
Cheers, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
It's dangerous.
I can taste the second shot.
So yeah, we're just hanging out here. We're gonna watch the sunset. We ordered a little bit of food. This is the same place that we had a reservation for dinner at, and so we'll be back up here again, pretty much right after this. Yeah, we're just gonna enjoy these drinks and kick off the birthday celebrations right. What's your review of it?
It's yummy. Since we were going to be coming back for dinner, we just ordered 2 appetizers, the crispy prawns and the shrimp tacos, which are both gluten and dairy free.
That's good.
That looks like he likes it.
I got the Black Widow. What'd you get?
The Thai coconut fire.
Try it. Let's see. Is it really good?
It's
Nice.
good. I'm definitely getting more of the tequila than the rum. It has both tequila and rum, which is very interesting. I really like it though. I love coconut.
Oh, I can definitely taste the tequila. It's good. It's good. I think I like, in order of what I've gotten so far here, I like the Koki Sharbat, and then I like the Asian Dragon Mule, and then this is third so far. But it's still good. I would definitely recommend trying it. If you like tequila, at least.
Yeah.
I recommend. For Vista, we're giving it a 3.5 on taste and drinks and a 4 out of 5 for vibe. There's just so much delicious food on the island. The competition is pretty fierce. But definitely if you're just thinking about hitting somewhere up to get a quick snack, or you don't feel like leaving the resort for dinner, I would recommend coming to this place and getting some grub. After that, we decided it was time to turn in, get some sleep, and get ready to kick off day 2. Heading down, getting our boat to go over snorkeling, fishing, and go to Secret Beach. We just had a nice little breakfast. We're supposed to meet them at the pier at 8:30, so that's where we're walking down to go do that.
And it's only 8:31, so we're not even that late.
I know, right?
That's pretty impressive.
So you're gonna take off from the dive shop. It's right past the dock restaurant. After signing away your life, they will ask you what size flippers you wear if you rent anything. You can bring your own snorkel gear, but we were really focused on packing light this trip. We had such a super dope squad that took us out. There was Jesse, Freddie, and Reynaldo, but I think he goes by Renee. They asked us what our experience level was spearfishing, and we told them none. So we basically just chilled for a little bit before getting in and watching them spearfish. There was randomly a cold wind though that came in that morning, so I waited to get warmed and energized by the sun, and then I jumped in to follow them around and learn a few things about how to spearfish. I think I feel comfortable actually trying next time we go, but this time was a no-go for me.
They caught so many good things. Lobsters and fish. All delicious stuff they prepped for us whenever we went to Secret Beach. The water was so beautiful and clear, so make sure you don't miss out on this. Get in the water, do some snorkeling, you won't regret it.
After a couple of hours on the water and hitting a few spots for snorkeling, it was time to head to Secret Beach. Check out this massive haul they caught. It was about 15 to 20 minutes to get to Secret Beach, and boy, let me tell you, the water was rough. We cut through the mangroves to get to the west part of the island, and Secret Beach isn't really that much of a secret anymore, but it's definitely a stop that you should make. We're gonna head back in part 3 and give you some more information about it. On the way there, Ronaldo was cleaning up and cutting up the fish so we can get an immediate start, and the place that we went to had been open for a month or two, so they were still setting some things up. Everyone who worked there was mad cool, and honestly, I think this was one of the best places on Secret Beach. Plenty of places to sit, lots of great food options, and everyone who was working there was just a lot of fun.
The fruits of our labor.
Is that the song? Our first course was a snapper ceviche. Our second course was snapper fish tacos on corn tortillas.
And let me tell y'all, when I say we feasted, we feasted. I think we ate for at least an hour because food just kept coming out. And yes, they were able to do everything allergen safe, gluten-free, dairy-free, just for me.
Hard work's pay off, right? These guys did all the work. This is where all the food came from.
More food came, and even more food after that, and we all just hung out, got to know each other. My extra tip was buying the crew some beer buckets. The lobsters were my absolute favorite food though the entire trip. They caught 2 of them for us while we were there. Wet and Wild, top score, I think, on Secret Beach.
Wow, we have just finished eating amazing food that our guides caught for us.
It was so good.
So they
it was
brought
like
us
less
up
than
here.
2 hours. It was swimming in the ocean. It was like swim, 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 swim. And then it was on my plate in less than 2 hours.
It was delicious.
It was good.
So we were just chilling there, and now we're gonna walk Secret Beach, see what's around here, and we'll probably be coming back at some point this week. So we wanted to scope it out and
See what's going on in this secret beach. It's not so secret beach. There aren't a ton of places to go, maybe 6 to 8 spots, which makes it kind of nice and less hectic because there is a lot of available space on Secret Beach. We mostly just scoped out what was here so we knew what places we wanted to stop to when we came back a couple days later. At the very end, there's a place called Water Park Bar and Grill. We decided to just get a drink here and chill because this is where we were getting picked up, but to be honest, our favorite spot was definitely Wet and Wild.
just like that, we're already at the end of our time. Sad face. But we had a really good time. Walked around Secret Beach a little bit. And now we're gonna head back. Probably about 15 minutes back to the hotel.
Since the wind was coming in from the north, the ride back was thankfully much calmer than the ride out. We absolutely love this excursion and highly recommend that you make time for a fishing trip while you're in Belize.
If you can get this crew, definitely do so. They were super fun and made the experience even more enjoyable.
Alright, now Ashley wants to run a vibe check on the restaurants before we pick where we're gonna eat.
We're at the Terrace Bar. We were walking to get dinner, and there's a guy playing the saxophone, and he's really good. So we stopped to have a drink here and listen to him play the saxophone. He's gonna start playing right now. We were still kind of full from the feast we ate, and so we decided to grab a couple of drinks here and hear some sax. I don't think most of y'all know, but I play the tenor sax as well. This guy plays all around the island too. I'll link his Instagram handle in the description. We saw him a day or two later in another restaurant as well. Because the lobster fiesta was ending today, we decided to move our reservation to today and hit the deck for dinner. This place is part of the hotel and is right next to the dive shop where we left to go snorkeling from in the morning. Most of the seating is outside. They do have some inside tables if the bugs might worry you. If you want to grab a drink from the bar and play some games before dinner, they do have a few things outside that are good to play if you have a beer and one hand. Even though it was a little chilly, we sat outside to get these pretty cool night vibes. If you go during the lobster fiesta, they will have a separate menu on top of the regular menu that is all lobster stuff.
They brought out a little amushi boosh.
Really, don't say it like that.
I don't know what it actually is.
Amushi
Boosh, there we go. Ashley's gonna have to have that.
Aren't you the one that speaks French?
Yeah, not well though.
Clearly. It's a garlicky, Alfredo-y, creamy pizza thing.
So nothing that I could actually eat.
Absolutely not.
I couldn't even dream about eating it.
You can dream about it.
I can dream about it. I might get sick if I dream about eating it. Did you get the bluebird? Yellow bird?
Yellow bird. Yellow.
I got the pineapple jalapeno margarita.
Can I try
Yeah,
it?
you can try it.
You know, like...
Well, yeah, it's a jalapeno. Do you like yours better or that one?
I don't know. Sometimes margaritas are too, like, acidic. Like, I don't know why.
Cool. Yeah, when you place the order, they'll come out soon. We'll let you know how the food is here. The vibe's pretty solid. You gotta squish your lemon.
It's my lemon. Got a pineapple salsa on it, which I love. All things pineapple are good.
Oh wait, is this the one where you flip it upside down? Yep,
Yep,
okay.
at the same time.
We learned this today.
How to open a lobster tail 101.
Boom.
Wow.
Look, gone. I'm a pro, baby. I'm a pro, son. Okay, I had to get it without the butter though. You got a mango salsa to add with it, so it's so good.
Tastes like it was caught fresh.
We can't eat lobster anywhere else ever again. We're gonna go eat the rest of our food. I hope you guys enjoy.
After dinner, we decided to shut it down early again, which is code name for go watch HBO Max and go to sleep. We have a lot more coming up from this trip. We have more boat rentals. We're going to be driving around the golf cart. You know we love driving golf carts from our Isla Mujeres trips.
You like driving the golf cart.
Yeah, I do.
I like sitting in the passenger seat.
We're going to go back up to Secret Beach. We're even going to swim with sharks in Shark Ray Alley today. That is what Ashley's been looking forward to. We hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. We'll be back in a few weeks with part 2 of the video. And remember, we take the trip so you can decide whether or not you want to.